Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off app notification on Android. So it's very easy. Just if you want to hide, if you want to keep silent, it's very easy. Just one tap. Just use the do not disturb feature if your a phone already have this feature. Of course, if you have a newer Android version, this feature is already on by default. Do not disturb. So this is the first way. So all the notification from all your application will be silent. And if you want to specifically silent your phone from silent your app, so the notification will not show. It's very easy. Just search on your setting the notification. Here, notification sound, you can try to reduce, or you can turn off completely. For example, from a messenger, your messenger or your WhatsApp app, just hold the application and tap app info and manage notification here, and try to turn off this. Try to disallow notification from your WhatsApp. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.